Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Conversation, and today is a very special day if you're a Tron holder. The most awaited day, today, 31st, 30th of May, Tron is about to launch their mainnet. And so what's going to happen to the price? I'm not sure, but at least they will start building some real world case applications. And mainnet is one of the very important step into any blockchain, because this is when you know, okay, they are really working onto the project. They have migrated, or maybe they have moved from just being an idea to the actual project, to being some actual product. And of course, if there is some investment, if anyone has investments into a project, and when it moves to a mainnet, basically you have more certainty on your investment. So basically what you're investing in is an idea. So when a project actually launches the mainnet, that means there is more certainty about your investments. And so this is a very important step. So congratulations to you if you're holding Tron already. Again, this is not a financial or investment advice. I do hold some Tron, so I'm excited. And one of the reason I do hold Tron, because I am looking at it from the investment point of view. As in, I've seen Justin Sun, a huge marketer, the way he marketed, the whole Tron project has been amazing. And so let's see how it goes. So let me know if I'm audible, if I'm not audible. Let me see if I can see myself. Great. Hey Gaurav, what's up Gaurav? How are you? Right, I don't have to actually look into that because, hey Anil, Tijendra, Bitcoin Maharaj ki jai. Hi Shiv, good evening. Hi Gaurav, how are you? Should we enter TRX now? Let's have a look. Well, the market is green again, guys, so that's a good news. The market is green once again. How excited are you about this? They also changed the color of the Tron logo, isn't it? The earlier it was all some other color. It wasn't red. Now it's all red. And by the way, they also have a channel. As you can see, there are about 250 people just watching. Tron will officially launch the mainnet at 11 a.m. So if you go to that Tron channel, you can see this going on. I don't know if there is anything playing, but this is what is going on right now. There are about 250 people who are excited about this, waiting on the channel for it to be launched. But let's have a look at the price for the Tron and let's see where it is. So Tron, right, it's about 0.06%. Well, is it a good time to pick up? Maybe it is, because it's not at its all-time high, and you don't know. I mean, you never know what's going to happen to the price after the mainnet launch. So maybe it is a good time. But let's have a look at the on-chain effects and let's see. So what was the maximum price? The all-time high was about 30 cents, and compare that to today's price, it's nothing. So definitely I think it's a good time. Hey, hi. It was a black before, red now. Mandela effect. Yeah, I think it was black. It was black. I think it was black earlier. Yeah, even I couldn't see this earlier. I thought, why is it red? But now why is it red? So yeah, but they have a channel, guys, just in case if you want to like keep waiting. There are a lot of chats going on here as well, from Spain, from different countries. So I think the community is pretty huge for Tron. And you never know, guys, that this might just turn out to be a 10x and 20x return. I mean, this did turn out to be a 20x return when it actually reached about 30 cents dollars. So people who actually encashed it did book a huge profit. So I think one thing that I know for sure is that whenever there's a bull run, do not forget to book your profit, because the cryptocurrencies are going to have a bull run and then going to come back again. And I think most people is when they realize that this is how the market behaves. The market actually really stopped taking any bull run. So over the last 5 or 6 months, we absolutely have no bull run at all. In fact, I was waiting for some bull run so that we could take some advantage of it, but it looks really bad. 14 people watching. Hit the thumbs up, guys. Amazing to have you. Click to crypto. Hello, Bhai Shiv. How are you? Bro, your predict for Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin should reach easily about $25 to $30,000 by the end of this year is what I'm predicting. Of course, there are a lot of cartel movement, cartel buying also, but it should at least reach about 25 to 30,000. Again, I'm no expert. Every prediction is just, it could be like my wish. It may not be, it's a prediction. It's my wish that I wanted to reach at least about $30,000 or $20,000 by the end of this year. Do you think it might fall further? I don't think. Hi Crypto Pro, what's up? I don't think Tron is going to fall any further because I think now is the time the Tron price will go up, not really fall down, and the reason being there are some ICOs, there are some different applications which will be starting to be built. So ideally the price should go up and should not come down. Sound is very much clear. Amazing. TRX gonna grow for sure. Yeah, I think so. I think Tron is gonna grow. Bro, should I buy some BTC right now? Honestly, Anil, if you ask me, again, I don't want to give financial advice, but I think this is an absolutely superb time, a great time to buy Bitcoin. I mean, I don't think Bitcoin will ever be available at such a price. So yes, if anyone who had cash, I think this would be the best time to buy Bitcoin. 7,500. I mean, this is almost the same price as in the month of November. If you just saw the tweet from Sandeep Goenka, the founder of Zeppe, and what he tweeted was that okay, let me see. Yeah, so this is what he tweeted. If you felt terrible in the month of December that you missed the Bitcoin rally, well, it is 1st of November again. Bitcoin's price again hit $7,000 for the first time ever. On 1st of November, it is back there. Now, what are you thinking? So yes, I think it's a very good time to enter in. It definitely is. 7,000 is. Hey Dinakar, how are you? How you should understand booking profit? It is converting to BTC or ETH, or booking profit in terms of INR? That's a good question, Gaurav. I would prefer INR. When it comes to booking profit, my first preference would be INR. Now, why INR? INR is the most stable currency, right? So today, if Bitcoin is $7,000, which approximately, let's say 5 lakh, let's say 5 lakh rupees a Bitcoin, and then I think it went to $19,000 Bitcoin. So that means about what, 13 lakh, something like that, right? 12 or 13 lakh. Let's calculate 12 lakh, right? So if you book the profit at 12 lakh, that means you are booking the profit in INR. Because if you're booking the profit in Ethereum, again, it's going to come back. Ethereum is volatile again. The only thing which is not volatile, so you want to always book a profit in something which is not volatile. And what is not volatile is INR. Of course, the other option is USD Tether, but again, that's risky. So I think INR would be the best option for anyone to book the profit. इंग्लिश भाई बताओ रविंद्र, क्या बोलूँ? आप सवाल पूछो, बात करते हिंदी में. Yes, Gaurav, I did create a Telegram group once again. I thought let's create it because if there are few scams, we will monitor it probably. Let's see if you can monitor, if you have time. Feel free to monitor if you can do so. Yes, I did create the Telegram group because I thought it's really important, because that's where we can communicate. Because otherwise, how else can we communicate? How else can we talk to each other? And so I thought let's go ahead with the Telegram group. You can have your suggestion on some of the project that you want to, like, you are excited about and you want me to look into or something like that, or maybe you want me to make a video or something, or maybe some interesting topic which is going on and you want to, like, you want to talk about that. So I think the Telegram group will be helpful that way, Gaurav, and so that's why I created. I hope it goes well this time. I know last time we had to delete it because so much of spams going on there, but hopefully we'll have to monitor this time. By icon dragon Cardano update please. आइकॉन भी अच्छा है, ड्रैगन भी अच्छा ही है, कार्डानो भी कुछ नया अपडेट तो आया नहीं इन दिनों में. आइकॉन आई थिंक इज़ लॉन्चिंग देयर मेन नेट वेरी सून. सो आइकॉन मेन नेट लॉन्च करेगा तो प्रॉब्ली प्राइस बढ़ेगा. एंड देन यू विल हैव ड्रैगन. Then what should be the Tron price by the end of 2018? I think the Tron price should be anything around well, if it, I'll be happy if the Tron touches about even at least half, half a dollar, which is 50 cents. I'll be happy. But even if it touches $1, nothing like it, you never know if there is a bull run like November and December. It happened last year, and if the same happens this time, the Tron will very well touch $1 also. So that will be a huge growth for sure. When are you starting trading? So I'm not the trading guy, Tijendra. So what I rather like to do is I rather like to probably swing trade, which is not a daily trade, a swing trade. I don't know, the daily trade is something that I find very time consuming and I don't find it worth my time. It's a lot of pressure and it's a lot of focus that you have to give. I mean, so I really don't do day trade. Titanium T-bar exit scam people. Oh, Titanium T-bar. Oh, Titanium T-bar is a scam? Are you serious, Crypto Pro? I mean, that was one of the cryptocurrency I believe that was highly spoken about, and I think they got hacked also once upon a time. But look at this, minus 65%. I mean, no, this is one of the reason I say the cryptocurrencies are so risky. I still remember how much of curiosity was there among the community about talking about Titanium T-bar. And it's very easy to get those kind of hype nowadays, to be honest. But understand, guys, anything which is hyped is not necessarily a good cryptocurrency. So this is a very bad situation for Titanium bar. I remember that there was some channel which was doing an interview for Titanium bar. I think they were hard fork, they were hacked or something like that. They decided to hard fork. But today it's a very extremely bad condition. Look at this, the Titanium bar has collapsed completely. 23 cents, it went to about 48 cents, that's 50 cents, half a dollar, and then today it's not even 1 cent. Extremely bad, horrible. So these are the kind of risks, guys, to definitely be aware of. I mean, this is horrifying. This is seriously horrifying, and this is where, this is why people actually say that investing in cryptocurrencies are risky, and especially you definitely want to be the long-term holder for only cryptocurrencies which are top 10 or top 5 on the coin market, and really not be a long-term holder for the cryptocurrencies which have a very small market cap. For example, this one has a very small market cap now. It's about 1 million. So, and to be holding anything long-term which is less than a million or maybe even $50 million market cap is extremely risky. So always try to hold something. If you're going to be holding long term, hold something from here in the top 10, and again keep a close eye on it. Again, none of this is a financial advice, but I just want to share something which I find. Look at the price of a Bitcoin. Again, it started falling down. It went to 7,500. Right now, it's around 7,300. So again, bad. So coming back to what I was saying, that when we have this term called hodling, hodler. But if you're holding a coin, if you're going to be holding a coin somewhere which is top, maybe in the hundreds or 90s or 120s, or maybe even 40s or 50s, and if they have a very small market cap, so this is where you will be able to see the market cap. As you can see, 125 billion, 55 billion, 23 billion. So this is about million. So now icon is 997 million, which is three figure. But if you talk about these, right, or maybe even the next page, these are like, look at this is like 77 million, 74 million. So anything which has got a small market cap, I think it's best avoided to hold them long term. Well, for trading they might be good because they might just shoot up like 30%, 40%, and so they're good to book the profit in Bitcoin. But to be holding them long term, especially something which has a small market cap, is extremely risky. Hey Dinakar, what's up, man? Thanks for joining. How are you? What do you say about the market as per the current scenario? I think the market is still down. Market is not bad, not bad. Sorry, not good at all. I think there's a lot of buying opportunity in the market is all I can say, especially cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, because Bitcoin and Ethereum are really the kings of cryptocurrency today, right? Everything that you want, even if you want to participate in 10x or 20x or 30x ICO tomorrow, what do you need? You need Ethereum, and Ethereum is still in very much in game. EOS was supposed to launch their mainnet. I think they are launching their mainnet. Let's have a look at the EOS. They are on time. EOS countdown, right? But let's see what happens once EOS launch. Right now Ethereum is the king, so I think this is a great opportunity, buying opportunity for Bitcoin and Ethereum for sure. So they're launching on June 3rd. I hope you have kept your EOS tokens in either Binance or MyEtherWallet and or Exodus, and you have registered the EOS public key. There is a tutorial on the channel if you have not done so, and if you find that registering the key complicated, I think the best thing is to leave it on Binance. I think the Tron swap is also happening on the Binance, so if you have any Tron, I think that should be kept on Tron, that should be kept on Binance if you have not done so. I'm not sure whether you keep that now, because they have already started taking snapshot. I think 11 a.m. 31st of May. Is that a Chinese time or is that an Indian time? 11 a.m. So hey Shiv, you have introduced crypto daily news. That was awesome. I wish it will continue like daily news where everybody aware that. Exactly, Dinakar. I think you're referring to the one at 8 o'clock. Is that the one that you're referring to? Then yes, I think I really want to continue that 8 o'clock Walla news, and the reason why, because it's good to have these new early morning, and also the only challenge is again the preparation only takes like an hour or so, but that's a good habit to get up like as early as possible, maybe 5:30 in the morning, and do some meditation and then start preparing for the news. But I think seriously, I think if the news in the morning, if it can be delivered anything between 7 to 7:30, anything before 8 is the best, so I think that's what I intend to do, and I think that's a very good habit. Wish me luck. I think I really want to continue doing that. 8 o'clock is amazing, seriously. Why so much of hate for TRX? I am not hating TRX. I'm not hating TRX at all. SEC is authority closed their them. I mean they are scam according to SEC. Oh, okay. Though, so there must be a security token according to them. T-bar is a scam. Have you heard of ERC 721? Yes, it is. I think it is another kind of token on Ethereum, but I'm not sure if there's anything special about it. If there is, do let me know in the comment box. Sunny Dalal will when can we expect Tron to rise? I think you should definitely expect the Tron to rise now since they are launching the mainnet. So I'm sure there are various applications, various partnerships that they have been doing, and these partnerships will start building their application on Tron. So obviously the price should start rising from now on. That is one of the very significant step in the roadmap of launching their mainnet, because when a project launches their mainnet, the certainty of your investment is much more because they have moved a step further. So there is more certainty than not having a mainnet, so this only goes to prove that okay, they are genuine, they were not a scam, and things like that. But again, today's China's president shared the excitement for the blockchain. Amazing. I hope he opens the market, man. I mean, come on. China is one of those countries which has been very, very innovative, and they are actually not doing good for the countries by closing down these exchanges and things like that. I think they should definitely reopen. And once if they do reopen, I do see the market having a little bit of bull run, because all the Chinese are going to be buying cryptocurrency like left, right, center. It's not that they are not buying right now, they are already buying, but it'll be more open, and there'll be more ICOs from China as well. So definitely we will see some a different picture of the market altogether if at all China opens up. Be prepared for at least maybe 12 to 15,000 of Bitcoin. Sir, TRX this time hold or sell? I think hold. I think this is a very crucial time for Tron. So I think hold. Hold is the good strategy according to me. Search for the 6th pattern Google, 6th pattern Bitcoin price. Coincidence or market manipulation? Oh yeah, this is one of the very serious topic that we have today. Coincidence or market manipulation? Several traders and investors give their insights on cryptocurrency market and how it can evolve in the next days, months, or even years. But different enthusiasts and professionals discover a very interesting pattern in the chart. What is it all about? Oh, these are very scary. According to this story, the sixth day of each month, Bitcoin will reach a top or a bottom in its price. The 6th of January, Bitcoin reached on one of the highest tops it has ever had. It was traded around $17,000. I thought it was in December. It wasn't in January. Suffered a reversal that took just. Oh, this is scary. This is very scary. Feb 6th, April 6th, March 6th, May 6th. Oh my God. According to this, so June 6th is going to be lowest one, is it? सर प्लीज़ क्रिएट हिंदी चैनल. यार हिंदी पे बात नहीं होगी मेरे भाई, बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है हिंदी में बात करना. यहीं पे मैं बात कर लूँगा आपसे हिंदी में. हिंदी कहाँ है? हिंदी यहीं है, आप पूछो. आप लोग लाइव पे हिंदी में आ जाओ, हिंदी में लाइव पे जब मैं लाइव जाता हूँ तो आप लोग हिंदी में आ जाओ, हम लोग हिंदी में बात करेंगे लाइव पे। अलग से वीडियो मत बनाने को बोलो यार, दोनों काम नहीं हो पाता। शायद फ्यूचर में हो जाए जब मैं ज़्यादा यूज टू हो जाऊँगा हिंदी को, अभी मैं इतना यूज टू नहीं हूँ हिंदी को, चैनल नया है ना। देन आई शायद एक नया चैनल भी बन जाए। यस राइट एट 8 AM इट्स हार्ड आई नो बट इट्स वेरी गुड one introduced by you. Yes, Dinakar, I completely agree with you, and that would be amazing, you know. I trust me, I really want to do that. All right guys, that's it. Thank you so much everyone for joining. Amazing to have you all. It just really shows that how much excited you are about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, how serious you are. Even in this market, you are still watching these news, you're still joining on the live, you're still having questions. That's amazing. That also goes to show that you are here for the long term. You're not, I mean, you really understand, you are somebody who really understands the cryptocurrency market, that the cryptocurrency are about. There are going to be downtrends, there are going to be upward trends. I know a lot of people who have completely stopped looking at cryptocurrency market because their only reason for being into cryptocurrency market was profit and not really the ideology. But I think both are important. Of course, the money is really important. Your investment is very, very critical, important, and that is why it is always very important to keep a close eye on the market. And of course, the ideology is great. The philosophy behind cryptocurrency is great. And Pundix, can we have a review? Sure, for sure. I was actually going to be reviewing Pundix last, I think yesterday or day before I was going to review Pundix. But I didn't do that. So thank you so much for reminding. I'm going to be doing that. Only one and only English channel in India. Thank you so much, Dinakar. Every time you're bringing some great news. Thank you. Individual countries preparing, showing interest in blockchain technology that they can create their own blockchain involving our Bitcoin blockchain technology. They are very clear. I mean, every country, any country can create a blockchain, right? But I mean, a blockchain does not belong to a country or does not belong to an organization or something like that. A blockchain has to be like a blockchain which is like public, and public could be for anyone across the globe. And so if a blockchain belongs to a country, it's useless. It's bakwas. You need a blockchain like Bitcoin, which can be trusted by every individual on this planet Earth. Does not matter which country is he from or is she from. That's the question that we have to ask. Is this the blockchain that every human being on this planet Earth can trust? Is this the blockchain which is open source for anyone? If the answer is yes, that's what we want to work on. And if a country will create a blockchain, they will be creating for themselves. That means only their citizens can use it. That means only they have controls. That means they can do 51% attack, they can do 60% attack, they can do 80% attack. I mean, that's the kind of attack we have right now. It's 100% attack on fiat currency, right? It is 100% attack. So why do you want to trust something like that? Pundi X. Yeah, exactly. Pundi X. I said that. Okay, great. Crypto Pro. Thank you. Reversal in 6 days, lol. Yeah, that 6 pattern is crazy. Alright guys, amazing. Thank you so much for joining. It was a wonderful talking to you. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like if you did, share, and see you guys. Take care, and time to say goodnight. Pundi X, Pundi X. Alright guys, so Insta Crypto video, right? Insta Crypto video, I think there has been a huge demand in the group, the Telegram group, that where is that Insta Crypto founders video, the interview. So as you know, there was a little bit of things that needs to be edited. So I was actually working on that, and probably I was thinking that, so I don't know, I'm not extremely good with edit. So I was trying to edit the video which is already uploaded, the live, but I think I was struggling big time. And so what I did is I took the video off, and then edited. And so probably I think, let me see, if I'm not able to edit the video which is already there on YouTube, then probably I'll upload the other one. But yes, that video will be up, don't worry. You take things very lightly. Thank you so much, Dinagar. It's a very good thing. Good night. Take care. Kuldeep, good night, buddy. Our PM will be creating blockchain first for form and payment. By that, India understood was the intention of India. Yeah, I think you can also have a private blockchain for farmers and things like that. So you can have both the kind of blockchains. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Please take care. Let's see what happens to the Tron price after they launch the mainnet. Does it touch the $1? Fingers crossed. See you guys. Take care.